So we're going to learn you a little wood surgery today. I got my everyday briefcase here. Today out on a job, I kicked my battery holster and this little piece of wood fell off. Should I have made that differently? Maybe, but it was a pain in the ass to get it to fit perfectly. So rather than make a whole new one, I'm just going to repair it. You get a little super glue. We're going to get a little super glue on there. And if you're patient, you can just hold it in place. If you're impatient, you can use activator spray on what you're going to attach it to. You can also spray it directly onto the super glue, but then you don't have as much time. So I mean, it really goes pretty quick. So then we're going to use some little finishing screws, because that super glue is to get it in place, and then I want to put screws in it so it's got some actual structure and the same thing doesn't happen again. Even with these little number one finishing screws, you have to be careful because on a piece of wood this small, it's very likely to split. So what I'm actually going to do is pre-drill it with a drill bit that's just the same exact size as the shaft of this screw. I want to put a screw in right here. Since this is at an angle, it's very hard to get a drill bit to start there. So what you want to do is you'll actually start perpendicular to the surface. And then once you're in maybe a 1/16 of an inch, you turn once you're sort of in that pocket. When you're drilling with a long skinny bit and you're going deep, you got to keep pecking because the sawdust will get impacted, and you'll heat up the bit and you can also split the wood. I'm going to throw a little bit of a chamfer on it because the head of that screw, even being as small as it is, will still split this wood. Damn it! So I should have just done one screw right in the middle, but I got cocky and I was going to put 2 screws in, and I'm so close to the edge, and I ran my drill bit like 1/8 of an inch from the edge. So I'm actually just going to abandon that one. We're going to get real ghetto here. And then hope that the other hole goes a little better. All right, so let's see. Is it pretty? No. Oh, I guess I need to. Well, at least it's a good sign that it's letting me shape it so aggressively, but I think it should be.
Feels pretty solid. Probably gonna regret this.
That's it, my people. Go build some shit or something. So also another random tip, because this happened at work today. Obviously, with a short driver, you can use one of these magnetic driver bits to make your bit magnetic and make screws stick to it. So if you're screwing down, they won't fall out. But today I was doing pocket holes, and so I had to use this long ass drill bit, and it wasn't magnetic. What you can actually do, because if you use one of these magnetic driver bits, first of all, they might get stuck and the whole bit will come out, which is annoying. But it's also too long of a distance for this magnet to be of any use. So if you happen to have any strong magnets laying around, you can actually just take the magnet and rub it up and down the shaft, sexually, sensually, gently, deviantly, and it will become magnetic. Go home. Okay, and then I forgot to say, as far as making sure you have the right drill bit for the screw that you're using, you can use calipers, measure the actual size of the shaft. This one I got 0.98, and the drill bit I used is 0.9 3. I probably could have gone one size up, but I didn't want too loose in there. You can also just, put it up against, you can put the screw behind the drill bit, and if it covers up the shaft, but you can still see the threads, you're probably pretty good.
That's all for today. Damn it, Bobby. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby.
Gracias. That means thank you. If you want to see a microscope video, click there. If you want to see a how-to, click there. If you want to subscribe, click there. If you want to see you get rickrolled, click there. Okay.